Hi, my name is Dan. In this video I'm going to talk about 3 things you must know when hiring an offshore accident lawyer, how to choose the best injury attorney, and top 5 offshore accident lawyers to consider. So let's talk about the 3 things you must know when hiring an offshore accident lawyer. If you are looking for an offshore accident lawyer, it is important to understand the 3 things you must know before hiring one. First, you should know whether or not the offshore accident lawyer is licensed to practice law in your country. Second, you should know how much experience they have with offshore accidents. Third, you should know if they have a good track record of winning cases that are similar to yours. When hiring an accident lawyer, it is important to know the 3 things that will help you make a good decision. 1. Experience. A good accident lawyer should have years of experience in handling personal injury cases and be familiar with state laws. 2. Client reviews. You need to look for reviews from clients and see what they have to say about the lawyer's work, as well as their experience with them as a person. 3. Cost. The cost of hiring an offshore accident lawyer should not be your top priority, but it is important to know all the details before you make a decision and ensure that you're getting the best possible deal for your money. How to choose the best injury attorney. The best injury attorney is the one who has the best skills to handle your case. They should have an excellent understanding of law and how it applies to your case. The best injury attorneys are well versed in insurance law, medical malpractice, personal injury law, criminal defense law, civil litigation law, and much more. Choosing the right injury attorney can be a difficult task. There are many factors to consider, such as the lawyer's experience, the fees they charge, and their geographical location. The best way to choose an injury lawyer is by researching their background and qualifications thoroughly. It is also important to get referrals from people you trust so that you can get a better idea of who might be the best fit for your case. Top 5 offshore accident lawyers to consider. The offshore accident lawyers listed below are some of the best in the industry, and they have a proven track record. They have been helping victims of offshore accidents for many years, and they will get you the compensation that you deserve. John Clements is a partner at an international law firm that specializes in maritime law, personal injury, and complex litigation. He has over 30 years of experience in maritime law, and he has represented clients in various jurisdictions including in Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, Central America, South America, Australia, and New Zealand. Richard Schoenfeld has been practicing maritime law for more than 40 years now, and he is an expert when it comes to offshore accidents cases involving sunk. Offshore accidents can occur in any part of the world, and lawyers in this field are available everywhere. However, it is always better to find a lawyer who is experienced in offshore accidents and has a good understanding of the laws that apply to this type of accident. When you need the help of an offshore accident lawyer, it is important to choose one that has a proven track record. The following are 5 offshore accident lawyers that have excellent reputations and can provide the legal assistance you need. 1. John Sullivan. 2. Kevin O'Connor. 3. James Farrar. 4. Kevin Driscoll. 5. Charles Walsh. If you find this information helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive notification as soon as we upload a new video. Also like and share this info with your friend who needs this information. I appreciate your help and cooperations. If you need any further info, please leave us a comment. We'll be happy to make a new video about your suggestions. See you soon.